Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way of printing any calendar of your choice using Python. To do that, let's import the library. Import calendar. Now the next thing is to define our variable called year equal to. This time around we are going to ask okay, let's first of all choose any year of our choice, 2000. So here we print calendar, then in bracket we specify year. If we run this program now, it will print the calendar of 2000. This is it. It will print the calendar of 2000 for you. But let's assume we want a user to type the year. So here we need to change this to input. Now we ask enter the year. So what this input does is to ask a user to type the year. What this int does is to convert whatever the user types into an integer value. So let's rerun the program now. Now I can decide to enter 2025. Now this will print the calendar of 2025 for me. Now I can also print this in range, saying from 2000 to 2025 or from 2000 to 2030. Very simple. So what I can do now is to use range. For year in range, this is where we specify my starting point. Start printing from 2000, stop at 2030. Then I'm gonna print calendar. So calendar. Then I will also specify what year. So this is range. Okay. Now when we use the for loop, immediately you add this colon and hit enter. This will be indented, meaning that this will only execute the number of times you have specified in this for loop. So if I run this program, the result will be the computer to print the calendar of 2000 all through to 2030. So let's run the program. Now look at this. Let's check. This 2029. Now all the way to what? 2000. So we started from 2000, 2001, 2002. Now I forgot to tell you something. Now when using range, the last number here will not be included. So if I want the computer to include the calendar of 2030, I need to change this to 2031. Okay. Now I can add comma and type 2. Now what this tool does is to tell the computer print the first one, which is 2000, then add 2 to it. So after printing 2000, it will now print 2002, now print 2004, 2006, 2008. Let's be sure. Let's hit the run button. Let's go to the beginning. It has printed 2000. It has printed 2002. It will now print 2004 because of this two that I have added. Please, if you find this video, if you love this video, or if you find it useful, please make sure you comment, like, share with your friends, and make sure you hit the notification button. Thank you so much. Bye for now.